I kill the beat every time a nigga stab at it. So let a nigga have at it. I shoot up, but I'm not an addict. But addicted to this hip-hop word, the beat rock. Now let me show these niggas how to rock over beats that knock. My style is unorthodox and goes like it's orthodox. I'm about to push the beat like a box. Put in work like I push the clock. Get on your feet like two socks. You're training bras and training wheels. The redwood to your daffodils. I'm like God to your rapping skills. But you choose to be atheist still. Till I let your face talk to my skills.
Got gas like the stove top. I'm so hot, you so hot, you so hot. You got shit
suck like a rope pop.
It's like y'all got no props, but that you get
no props.
Cause I'm a heat seeker.
Beat the beat until the lead leader.
It makes the engineer
3 seizures.
keep leaders, but nobody
Is the follower, so focus on your Twitter page. That's a lyrical ricochet. They come from within.
It's like the spirit of native pop.
When I pick up the beat, I'm so West Coast.
I spit it like I
Strep throat. Me and King.
you can host a throat without a pressure.
Come on. We don't fear none of you niggas.
That wax shit make our ears deaf.
We don't hear none of you niggas.
My family questions fear less.
We don't fear none of you
That
niggas.
wax shit make our ears deaf.
We don't hear none of you niggas. Make some motherfucking noise, man. Get this shit live in here, man. Hold on.
What's up?
Man, y'all gotta do better than that,
Now
man.
make some motherfucking noise.
Y'all ready to get this shit rocking, man?
Yeah.
I'm ready to bring my nigga out, man. Hey, where that nigga CA at, man?
He said he's scared.
That nigga ain't never scared.
Man, he said he's scared that we was gonna get so hyped that Hollywood wasn't gonna get ready for it. So I'm gonna need y'all to help me bring him out. All right, y'all want to help me bring him out?
Yes, sir.
All right, DJ, kick that shit. All right, I need y'all to repeat after me at the count of 3. All right?
Let's go.
All right.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Everybody say.
Everybody say
Heads, will, roll. Come on, now say.
Heads will roll.
Everybody say.
Heads will roll.
Let's go.
Let's go one time.
Dro Boyz, come on.
Kill them all sight, dead nights, bright as headlights. When I was right beside my lines, yeah, they vice tight. Tell them night, took the light by the amateur MC. It's bedtime, trying to put the rest on them dead rhymes. I got a guillotine for your headline. Guillotine like Uncle Sam. From the avalanche, that's the last slide. Ain't the wind, give a good in that. I heard pride, I cut show. I ride dirty like fuck so. Choke knife, cause I'm a cut, bro. I got a fetish for fucking dick, ho. It's big, I'm in the pins, I can show you some big. Pussy break down back to these niggas. I'm a lyrical M16, nigga. Kick better than footage, you motherfuckers don't really want to know it ever since I went to y'all. Motherfucking promises and niggas. I say off with their heads.
Off with their heads.
Here, cheers to the dead.
To the dead.
Heads roll like I'm shooting craps.
Hey.
They salute when they hear it. Just say heads will roll. Come on, say heads will roll. Say heads will roll.
Oh.
See that?
Roll.
Let's go.
Heads will roll.
Say heads will roll. Say heads
will roll.
Use a massive bowling ball. I'm going off.
Yeah.
Head to roll when I feel it low.
I leave you fuck like a gigolo.
Leaving them head to toe. Our short tank curl like Mexico. Got more time than my little toe. And that fact is literal. Y'all keep me so fictional. Y'all couldn't see our visual. Y'all ain't on our tip. Y'all simps been so typical. Sweet as vinegar. Put it in go. Fuck your policies. All we do is murder ink. I need a narcotic beat. After cheese and broccoli. Y'all chickens ain't divine. Come on. Y'all be saying things that you can't even define. I got a ticket, pay for big pocket, shake a butt. Need a refund, I'm the reason that rap has been revived. You puts like feline. No, I ain't lying. Ain't worried about no rumors. With small talk to a giant, I'm flyer than a pirate. So I retired from the pirate. So say hello to your highness. Talk some motherfucking Let's go, baby. Hey, man, hold on, I got you. Hey. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody for coming out on behalf of every artist. It takes y'all to get us to where we need to go, you feel me? So thank y'all for coming out. But on another note, is Hollywood in the building? Hey, my man, I made a bitch scream louder than that. Is Hollywood in the building? Alright, look. Well, we the Dro Boyz, you feel me? Straight from San Pedro, California. Thank you, Mike's nigga. Let's drop that next one.
Pedro.
Everybody go say,
Hey!
Dro Boyz be the livest. Dro Boyz be the livest. All I represent is the pirates. Smoking the blunt, looking at Catalina Island.
We get sent in, my nigga. No six, no six, nigga. Fuck you and your friends. Dro Boyz, look at a party shit, nigga. Still go by young nigga, we call him CA now.
Look, I come from where killers kill just to make names. When niggas sell pounds, break down and play games. Say face, cause undercovers plot another robbery. Take away your rights and murder all your philosophy. Possibly with a posse, drinking no Colorasi. Rocking up cocaine, that's the only job to the lottery. Haters like to mock, try to make you a mockery. Little mama got me on her, I'ma try to make her on her knees. She got kids, so she's looking for the easy way. Teasing me cause she's needy, if she get G, she'll leave today. I ain't mad, I'm looking for it, so if she leave away, I follow, make her swallow my cream with no bitch. If she ghetto, we can't wrestle unless she got in her face with the D, leave her face with tar, irking and jerking, I'm swerving off E&J. Tomorrow I'll get busy, be my hangover remedy. Hey, I'm the other Dro, nigga. Some working the dots, others known as coke dealers. All I represent is the pirates. Smoking the blood, looking at Catalina. Lifestyle, of a other Dro, nigga. Some working the dots, others known as coke dealers. All I represent is the pirates. Smoking the blood, looking at Catalina Island.
Make some motherfucking noise, Hollywood.
This motherfucker. If y'all drunk in this motherfucker, make some noise. Let's go.
We need y'all to sing this shit. Everybody know this shit, right?
Got this
Y'all know
CA?
this shit?
I know it.
Hey, if you know the song, I need y'all to sing along with us. One time. One time. Pull up. Headshot.
Drink.
Sit down.
Drink.
Stand up.
Drink.
Pass out.
Drink.
Wake up.
Drink.
Fade it. Come on. Fade it.
Talk to him, CA.
Paint a picture.
I paint a perfect picture.
Little youngins got white balls, different kind of pictures. And I be blowing money, you can find it in my swisher. Chilling in the cut, cause I'm sharp as some scissors. Trying to get a nut like fuck the mother critters. I feel I am the shit, I should sit in the liver. My money stays flowing, call me the dough river. My boys fuck them up, there's got come on. 1, 2, or 3 shots.
Come on, this
show
shit.
you how to turn it up and now.
Come on.
You get up.
Then you what? Come on.
Dive in, wave a few bottles and I watch them all fly.
They what?
Come on,
Full up.
dive in it.
Who full up?
Yeah.
Hold on, DJ.
Who?
Hey, fuck the police one time. Hey,
It's a beautiful lady.
there is.
There is.
How many ladies like to get X-rated?
Whoa.
Hey, how many ladies like to get X-rated? Alright, you ever heard of a bottle called X-rated? Yeah? Hey, we made a song about that one just for the females. Hey, drop that shit, my nigga.
She usually drinks Alizé.
Hey, or even hypnotic.
Yeah.
For the slow one, you can groove with your little booty this. Loud.
So she
So she can get naughty, but she like liquor that tastes like juice. Bedroom, she likes it hard. Drink, she likes it smooth. To get her in the mood, she thinks gin is nasty. Likes pink panties. I told her Grey Goose will get a lose. She said I wanna get faded. Trying to drink some liquor, but I ain't trying to taste it. Not trying to taste it. I said take a shot with a chaser. She said I probably waste it. Do you have any X-rated? And since I never heard of it, we went to the store, got a bottle and she murdered it. She was good to go. She said it tasted great. Started to get naked, X-rated. I was getting X-rated. She usually drinks Alizé.
Or maybe whoa, but tonight she wants that X-ray, yeah, so she can get naughty. Hey,
she said, let's get X-rated. I said, what you want to drink? She said, let's get X-rated. She wanna get X-rated. Hey, cut that DJ. Alright, I'm sorry I had to do all that simp shit, my niggas. I'm sorry. Hey, we got that real trap shit though. That real shit that you don't be saying shit on. Niggas should be rapping the type beats. I signed a nigga like that yesterday. He's been rapping for 2 hours now. Swear. We gonna make this nigga go double aluminum foil, my nigga. That's real shit. Hey, drop that shit, man. We don't do this shit, nigga. This some real stupid shit. We not getting poppin', nigga. Real shit. Hey, you like that anger shit? Go on her toe. On her belt.
Yeah, bitch, it's ghetto.
Yeah, and you don't even fuck with that.
Don't go with that.
Like that.
Oh, with the head with the back.
With that.
I don't even be bitches, but I be for the head shit. Random shit. I don't even do this shit.
You don't do this shit,
I
nigga.
don't know rap shit, but I rhyme shit with some more shit. Baby on that bullshit. No on this bullshit. I'm doing this random shit. I hope y'all niggas buy this shit.
Real shit.
I'm half black.
He half
I
black.
don't give a fuck about half sack.
Don't care, nigga.
I got cancer and shit. I'm looking with y'all, I don't help you shit.
Sight, nigga.
Motherfucking running miles.
Running miles,
I don't give a
nigga.
fuck with y'all handicaps.
No.
Yeah, I'm bullshit.
What you doing?
Throwing y'all on the mat.
shit.
Motherfucker, wrestling.
Hey, cool.
Bautista.
I like Stone Cold though.
Shit, I'm skinny as fuck.
Hey, yeah.
6'2", little truck.
Hey, live truck, nigga. Fuck your F-150, nigga.
You know what I'm talking about. Good fuck on
We got chorus right, nigga. You know what we talk about.
Listen, beer, awesome shit.
Hell yeah.
That's all I say. What?
What?
Down. I'm just saying.
Hey, give it up for my nigga. That nigga going double platinum, nigga. Hey, if you like niggas that take rap, give it up for my nigga. Real shit.
That's for my nigga Phil one time.
Real shit. We signed that nigga, but we gotta show him the real shit, you know?
Shit!
We done came a long way from posted on the block.
Oh shit!
From the bottom all the way to the top. Boy!
Right!
Got it rolling and I see no need to stop. Boy.
Yeah!
Get in our way and we gonna have to crush the convoy, nigga.
Yeah.
Fuck that, nigga.
Come on.
We back
Nigga, concentrate on this one.
Hey!
Came a long way from posting on the block, boy. From the bottom all the way to the top, boy. We got it rolling and I see no need to stop, boy. Get in our way and we gon' have to crush your car, boy. Smash and destroy, it's a mission. All these rappers, it's a mission. Tighten up my grip, they slipping. Leave their bodies laying lifeless. Fucking useless, stupid beats, I hate you, you disgust me. I wanna chop you up and put your body in the oven. I wanna try to love you, but inside me there is nothing. But this darkness coming, so you better get to running. When I catch him, I'ma cut him like a preseason roster. Then crack his shell like the man made a lobster. I had to dip him with the hot sauce.
Then what?
Knock his motherfucking top off. For sitting at my table with bad manners. Drunk celebrity, splashing TMC cameras. I'm a damn savage, like the wilderness. And every time I come to rap, I come to kill some shit. Holy shit, Holy Mary won't save your clip. Artillery, bang, bang to bait you with. Came a long way from posting on the block, boy. From the bottom all the way to the top, boy. We got it rolling and I see no need to stop, boy. Getting our way and we gon' have to crush a convoy. Came a long way from posting on the block, boy.
Yeah.
From the bottom all the way to the top, boy.
Yeah.
We got it rolling and I see no need to stop, boy. Hey. No way and we gon' have to fuck with CA.
You niggas really bitches, call them
Tomboys.
Lick you the shit because he's
Spoiled by your mom's boy.
It's apparent. We act like we got no parents. Throw them in the lake with concrete shoes for fake niggas and parents. Came a long way from nothing but a
Pin and pan.
I'm moving silence, no need to sit.
Brad.
Dro, nigga,
Represent them Dro Boyz.
my niggas got grabs, touching clothes, boy.
Hey, don't smoke weed, got a lighter in
Hey,
your
you got a
pocket.
lighter in your pocket.
Put your motherfucking lighters in there.
If you smoking kush at the end of this shit, put your lighter up right
Put your
now.
lighters up in the motherfucking air. You got that.
Now, hey, yo, Mary J from my